Hello and welcome to this new tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to use Rumble. Now, Rumble works the same way as YouTube or even Vimeo. This is a platform where you can upload your videos and you are able to earn from them through viewership. And of course, with Rumble, you are also able to earn through referrals. When you refer someone using your referral code or referral link, you are able to earn some commission. So to get to Rumble, you simply type rumble.com and I'll be leaving a link in the description of this video for you to use. To sign up for an account, you simply go to rumble.com. If you have an account, you sign in. If you don't have an account, you sign up. So this being a beginner's tutorial, we are going to click on sign up for a Rumble account. And it will take us to this registration account form. So you fill in these details. I'm going to fill in that. So then you click on this by creating an account with Rumble. You agree to their terms. Then you click on register. And so you have successfully registered. Now you'll need to go back to your email to activate your account for you to start uploading your videos. So if now I go back to my email, you'll notice here we have an email from Rumble. I click on activate my account. Here, click to activate my account and your account has been successfully verified. If you come to the right hand side where you have your profile, you notice we have account overview, stats and earnings, my content channels, live streaming and account options and sign out. So let's go to the account overview. So for the account overview, you are able to see how much earnings you have. Currently, this being a new account, the earnings are at 0. And then estimated earnings again, you notice you can see your earnings from YouTube and third-party earnings, and then you can also see your Rumble earnings. And that's the beauty with Rumble, in that you can also be able to access your earnings from YouTube. Then we have the recurring revenue here, which is active monthly subscription or even potential recurring revenue. So that is about the account review. If you have money here and you want to cash it out, you simply click on cash out. So your account should be verified before you cash out. So if you click on verify account, you'll need to put in these details here. You need to add your phone number and then you get a code so that your account is verified. And only one account at a time can be verified with the same number. That means you cannot have two numbers. You cannot have the same number having two accounts. So that is how you cash out your money. It's so easy, and then your money will be sent to your PayPal. So on this side again, if you look at referrals, as I said, with Rumble, you can earn from referrals. So you click on referral, you notice here we have the referral URL. So if I share this with anyone and then they register an account to Rumble using my referral code, then I earn some commission, and then I can see the commission earned down here. You notice here, you have not earned any commission to date because this account is still new. Next, we have what we call auto syndication. Before we get there, you notice we can have the chat settings where you can set your chats so that you are able to just see them. Here, you notice you can use the default chat mode. Here, you can have the dark mode here. You can set that so that you can see either your chat in light mode preview or in dark mode preview. So for the live streaming here, you can live stream your events. You simply go to rumble.com/live or click on up here, set up a new live stream. Then you upload a placeholder video up to 120 seconds long, which will be looped before the stream starts. And then once the placeholder is uploaded, then Rumble will provide you a streamer configuration that consists of a stream URL. And then you enter the configuration into your streaming software, and then you are able now to share your live stream on Rumble. Next, down here, Rumble has templates. So if you click on templates, you can see the templates that you can have here for videos. So you search here depending on what you would want. Now, next we have what we call auto syndication. Here, with auto syndication, you are able now to post on Rumble, and at the same time, that video uploaded on Rumble goes directly to your YouTube, Vimeo, and Facebook. So to do that, you simply switch this one on. If you click on this, you now notice it goes on. It will now lead you to a page where you can add your YouTube account. So you notice now I can click on the account that I want to link here. And then if I don't want that, I can click on off so that now it is removed or it is switched off. You notice now it's off, but still we can add other accounts here. So that is how you can use Rumble for these settings here. You can also see your pay per view here. And currently we have not purchased any videos yet, so there is no pay per view. Then you can view your recurring sub videos. You can see all your videos, scheduled videos, and even monetized videos. You can also synchronize your YouTube channel here, and then you can read their policy here. And now for you to create an account so that you can be posting your videos, you come down here and click on create channel. So you click on that. Remember, what we have currently is just an account. We now want to create a channel so that we can be posting our videos. So you start with an account, then you create a channel. So we are going to call this channel Joe777. Then you give it time to see if it's available. And then we call the title Joe Much 7777. We see if it's available. Then you can give the description of the channel here. Maybe this channel deals with ABCD, just a description that fits your video. And then you can select a thumbnail for your channel here. And then once you have done all that, you have filled in all those details, you click on create and your channel will be created. Now you notice our channel here has been created. So to now manage my channel and start posting, you click on manage here, manage. And you notice, please upload some videos first. We don't have any videos uploaded yet. So to upload a video, you come to the top right corner, and then there is this upload or stream live icon here. You click on that, then you click on one. If you want to go live, you click on go live. But in this case, we want to upload a video. You click on upload video. This will take you to your PC if you click here. So, or you can drag and drop. Let me drag and drop a video here. So I want to drag this video and drop it here. So now our video is uploading and it's up to a maximum of 15 GB. So you notice our video has been uploaded. Then just like in YouTube, you give the video details here. That's the title, description, I'll call it trial video. Then categories, you can select the categories here for the primary categories. Which kind of video is this? Is it for cooking, entertainment, whatever it is? So in this case, maybe it's entertainment. You select that. Then the secondary category, which kind of entertainment, airplane incidents, whatever it is, you select one of them. You notice we have so many. Maybe it's a comedy. You select that. Then with Rumble, it auto-generates video thumbnails for you. You can either select the thumbnails generated or you can choose your own here. You notice it is still generating some more thumbnails here, but I can also choose my own. So let me select the one that has been auto-generated. I'll click on that. And then down here, you can choose where to upload it to. If you click on this button, you notice which channel you want to upload it to. I want to upload it to Joe777. Click on that. Then you choose the visibility, just like in YouTube. You can select public so that anyone can watch this video. You can click on unlisted so that only people with the link can watch this video. You can also set it to private so that you only can watch the video. And if you want to upload the video later or the video to go live later, you can click on scheduled and select a date to make the video public. Once that is done, you click on submit and your video is now being submitted. So you notice, please wait, your video is finishing processing. It's currently at 63%. But basically, once this video completes uploading, then we should be able now to view that video. I hope this has been helpful. Kindly like this video, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.